Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that has been making waves in the culinary world, the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 2.0, a Wi-Fi-enabled powerhouse that boasts 1000 watts of cooking precision. We found this gem online and have added the link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is sous vide? Pronounced sous vide, it's a cooking method that involves sealing food in a bag and immersing it in a water bath at a precise temperature. The Anova Precision Cooker takes this method to the next level, ensuring that your meals are cooked to perfection every single time. No more guessing if your steak is medium rare or if your chicken is fully cooked. With the Anova, you can achieve the exact doneness that you desire. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the Anova Precision Cooker 2.0. First and foremost, it circulates water at the exact temperature required for your meal, meaning that whether you're cooking chicken, fish, vegetables, eggs, beef, lamb, or pork, you can expect consistent results with flavor and moisture locked in. This results in texture and taste that are truly second to none. One of the great things about this cooker is its user-friendliness. It heats water faster than many competitors and holds the temperature with impressive precision. The adjustable clamp allows you to easily attach it to any stock pot or container, making it versatile for various kitchen setups. Plus, it's water resistant, which is a nice touch for those minor kitchen accidents. The Anova app is another highlight. It's free to download and gives you access to thousands of sous vide recipes created by both professional chefs and home cooks. You can control your cooking time and temperature directly from the app or the cooker itself. For those looking to elevate their cooking game even further, there's a subscription option that provides access to exclusive educational content, cooking guides, and recipes. With a 2-week free trial, you can explore this wealth of information before committing. So, who is the Anova Precision Cooker 2.0 suitable for? It's perfect for anyone who loves to cook, whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner looking to explore new culinary techniques. If you enjoy experimenting with flavors and textures, or if you simply want to ensure that dinner is never overcooked again, this precision cooker is a fantastic addition to your kitchen arsenal. Practical use cases for the Anova are endless. Imagine hosting a dinner party where you can prepare your proteins ahead of time, and simply finish them with a quick sear on the grill or stovetop before serving. Or consider meal prepping for the week, knowing that you can cook vegetables and proteins in advance, locking in their nutrients and flavors. The convenience of being able to monitor your cooking from your smartphone means you can spend more time doing what you love, whether it's entertaining guests or just relaxing. In summary, the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 2.0 is a game-changer for home cooks of all skill levels. With its precise temperature control, user-friendly design, and a wealth of recipes at your fingertips, it's a tool that can truly enhance your cooking experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.